This is Oblatory Videos, Artistry and Craft, showing you Serenity Stones Jewellery. They're a new line that I'm working on. Just thought I'd show you how we then actually put the cord, which is here, into the pendant which you've got here. So I've got 80 centimetres of cord. It's 1mm cord, so it's nice and thin, which allows you the flexibility to do this. What you want to do is get your cord so it's halved, which is what mine is, and take it down to the end. At that middle point you've then got the ability to make a very small kind of pinch point, which you put through the hole in your pendant. Having put that through the hole, finger through the loop of cord, grab it so it's all gone through, and then pull. That then tightens the piece of cord up to the top of the pendant. You can then do a knot to hold it in place or leave it like that, it's up to you. Personally, I like to put a knot in at that point in time, because that knot, just a bog standard knot, actually allows your cord to come out in two different directions. So you can see, bog standard knot, there we go, tighten it down, and now my cord is held in place and coming out in two directions. So how do I then actually tie these two ends of cord together? Again, pretty straightforward. It's what's called a sliding knot. So one piece of cord, second piece of cord, and I put my thumb over the top of the two of them. I'm then going to wrap the cord round, so it's going over both. It's going over my thumb once, and then going to go over my thumb a second time. So I've got 1 and 2. So I've got 2 loops around both pieces of cord. That's the idea. And then this is going to go through both of those loops. So I'm now through both loops, and I pull the thread that I'm not using for the knot. So this is my loose end, this is my knotted thread. I'm now going to pull that and pull it tight. So that's the first knot on there. That, if it's in the wrong place, I can then slide off and undo. I now want to do my second one, so I'm going to gain a little bit of length, do exactly the same again. So I go over both once, I go over both twice, so 2 loops on my thumb. Then that end is going to go through both loops. A little bit fiddly because it's quite a small cord, so it's through both loops. Then I want to pull the other end of that piece of cord so I can tighten it. And pull it tight, and then I pull the end with the knot on. So I've got 2 knots, there they are, pull them together. That then pulls it tight. To loosen it off, I then grab the 2 ends, or to tighten it, pull it like that. That will then allow me to cut the ends off about there on both of them, slightly diagonally, so I've got the end of the cord, and I can make that then as loose or as tight as I want it when I'm wearing it. So we've got the knot, or as I say, it's called a sliding knot, done. The knot on the pendant, holding that in place, and then you can make this as long or as short as you want it, depending on what you then want. So simple, pull through, so push through, loop, pull through, tie a knot, sliding knots on the end of it, and you've got your pendant made. There we go. So quick and easy, sliding knot, bog standard knot, in order to attach your pendant to a cord. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.